Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome back from your long weekend. Today is Tuesday, January 22nd of 2019. For our morning announcements today, for our lunch choices, we have cheese-filled Bosco sticks, chili cheese Frito pie, or chef salad with Cheez-Its. And today I thought I would do a special presentation from Kid President talking about Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. Since you had that off yesterday on Monday, I thought it'd be good to share a little bit of history about the man that we are celebrating yesterday for his birthday.
Once upon a time, there's a man named Martin Luther King Jr. It's funny to think about because now we know his name so well, but at one time he was just a kid. Like maybe you're a kid watching this. Well, he was a kid too. Well, maybe you're a grown-up. That's okay too. All kids are welcome here. I don't discriminate. Martin Luther King grew up to be a great man, of course. But things weren't all that great in the world while he was growing up. Not everybody was treated like they were somebody. And I believe that you should treat everybody like it's their birthday. But they didn't do that. People looked at the color of their skin. And that's how they decided if they were friends or not. Not cool, man. That didn't make him feel good. That didn't make anybody feel good. But his parents helped him grow up. He went to church. He learned about love. He grew up to be a minister to help a lot of people. He did all sorts of cool stuff. He helped a lot of people learn about love too. But still he looked around and said, things should be better. He wanted to change things. So he did stuff. He decided, instead of spreading the hate, he would spread the love. He wanted to bring people together. Where people were hurting, he stepped in to help. He marched with them. He walked with them. He walked arm in arm with everyone. Sometimes it didn't go well, but he kept going. Sometimes he ended up in prison, but he kept going. Some people didn't like him, but he kept going. Some days were hard, but he kept going. Love does that, it just keeps going, even when things are dark. And, well, I don't like this part of the story, but things did get pretty dark. Someone who didn't agree with him shot him. He died in April 1968. Now, kid President, why are you telling us this sad story? Come on. I know, I'm sorry, but it happened. I don't like that happened. Now I gotta tell you something. When things aren't awesome, it can be tough. And things won't always be awesome. But your response can be. Martin Luther King's response? It was awesome. Today I just wanted us to think about this. Isn't it cool that we can change things? Like any of us, anybody. He dreamed and he changed things. And he dreamed and he kept sharing his dreams. They became not just his dream, a lot of people's dream. Like this one. I have a dream that little black boys and black girls will join hands with white boys and white girls and become sisters and brothers. That's a pretty good dream. Let's dream like that. That could change things.
So with that message today, so let's make sure that we're helping out everybody. Let's make sure that we're being polite and respectful to everybody. Let's carry forth the vision that Martin Luther King Jr. set forth, that we will all get along with one another, no matter what color skin we are or what backgrounds that we are. And on that, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much. So boys and girls, teachers and staff, have a great day back on your first day of this week. And let's remember Martin Luther King Jr.'s message and make sure that we're treating everybody with respect and being polite and kind. Have a great day.